Hey everyone, just a quick heads up. I'm a homeowner sharing my personal learning experience with lawn gear maintenance, not a certified repair tech. Working on power tools and lithium-ion batteries carries real risks of fire or injury, so always remove the battery before touching blades or wearing, wear proper protection, and attempt any repairs at your own risk. If you're ever unsure, check your owner's manual or call a professional. Now, let's get into the repair. First things first, let's open the battery. Grasp the battery locks as shown on both ends and then pull the battery out. Next, locate the base of the trimmer and remove these 4 screws as shown. The type of screwdriver bit you will need is shown on the screen. Carefully remove. As you can see, my trimmer line has been sucked into the motor housing assembly, and I have to somehow untangle that trimmer line from that motor housing assembly. So the next step would be to open the motor housing assembly so I can access the jammed trimmer line. The type of screwdriver bit you will need is shown on the screen. There are 10 screws you need to unscrew. I didn't show all 10, otherwise this video will be too long. Now gently open the motor housing assembly and the rest of the arm. Take the time, don't rush this step. So now I can actually take a peek and see where my line has really jammed around the motor. I think it's the spindle of the motor. So I use my screwdriver to gently try and grasp the line, and after a few tries I did succeed to grasp the line and then find a way to untangle it. Again, this is a step that requires patience, and I would suggest that you take utmost care so as not to damage the motor assembly while you try to reach the line and you try to untangle it, because chances are that it has spun and wound up pretty tightly, and you will want to make sure that you're not stressing any of the parts while you untangle the line. Next step is to assemble the trimmer back. One thing to be careful about is not to pinch any of the internal cables or electrical wires as you screw the trimmer back on, and make sure that the wires or the cables don't get caught in the spots where you're going to screw it back in. Make sure to use the right screwdriver bit, and as a reminder, there are 10 screws to be fastened back, and I'm not covering them all here. To assemble the trimmer guard back, make sure to align the parts as shown on the screen. Use a proper screwdriver bit to screw and secure the trimmer guard in place.